Hi friends, this is K Naeem from Health Seekers. Welcome back with another video. Friends, today we will talk about the food that can make you 10 years younger than your life. To know about this magical food, you have to watch this video till end. Before start of the video, it is request to all of you that please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Friends, let's start the video. Friends, bone broth new a magical food due to its many health benefits. Health conscious people love to add bone broth to their daily food items. Research on bone broth efficacy is limited, but there is much evidence that shows drinking bone broth can help in improving our overall health. Friends, before discussing the health benefits of bone broth, first we should know what is bone broth. Friends, bone broth is the type of fluid made from boiling the animal bones and connective tissues. It can be very beneficial for our bones health. The bone broth liquid can improve the overall health of our digestive system and also strengthen our joints. Friends, bone broth has amazing nutrients. 1 cup of bone broth contains approximately 35 to 50 calories, 7 to 10 grams of protein, and 95 to 600 milligram of sodium. Friend, bone broth is also a rich source of collagen and gelatin, and both are very important for human skin and play a vital role to control wrinkles and help to control leaky gut syndrome. Friends, now we'll discuss best method to prepare bone broth. Friends, the preparation of bone broth is very easy and simple. The things that are required in the preparation of bone broth are beef, mutton or chicken bones. It is better to use connective tissues and bones in the preparation of bone broth. Now friends, we will discuss step in the preparation of bone broth. Friends, first take a large pot and fill it with 4 liters of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Thirdly, you have to add 2 to 4 kg of beef or mutton bones, and it is better to use connective tissues for better results. Friends, instead of beef or mutton bones, you can use chicken bones as well. Now friends, add some salt and black pepper as per your taste and requirement. After adding all these ingredients to a large pot, open the flame and bring to a boil. Friends, when it starts boiling, reduce the heat to simmer cook for 12 to 24 hours. Number 7, in addition you can add ginger, carrots, bell pepper to enhance the flavor. Friends, to get maximum taste, should simmer it for longer period. Now friends, we will discuss the health benefits of bone broth. Friends, as you all know that bone broth contains very important nutrients, especially it is full of healthy minerals extracted from the animal bones and tissues. People who take bone broth can beneficial of following health benefits of bone broth. Friends, bone broth may help in reducing weight. Friend, as the bone broth is full of protein, it helps to control appetite and helps to control weight. People who want to lose weight should add bone broth in their food routine. When you drink bone broth, you feel fuller for a long period of time, and that is helpful in restricting calories consumption. Number 2, friends, bone broth can improve sleep and brain health. Friends, bone broth is full with an amino acid called glycine. The glycine is very helpful to make you relax and help to improve your sleep. Some studies have shown that taking glycine before sleep can help to sleep faster and improve your sleep throughout the night. Number 3, friends, bone broth is good for the joints health. Friends, bone broth is a good source of collagen that is extracted during the simmer cooking of animal bones and connective tissues. Friends, when we do simmer cooking of animal bones, available collagen converts into another protein called gelatin. And gelatin is fully packed with amino acids that are important for bones and joints health. Gelatin contains proline and glycine that supports the body to build its own connective tissues. Bone broth may improve our digestive system. Friends, as we all know that bone broth is a good source of gelatin that helps our body to hold liquids and bind the water in our digestive tracts and helps the food to move through the gut easily. People having digestive issues can use bone broth that may help the overall health of their digestive system. And glutamine, an amino acid that helps to improve the working of the leaky gut. Friends, number 5, bone broth is very helpful to fight osteoarthritis. People who are suffering from osteoarthritis can be benefited if take type 2 collagen. And type 2 collagen can get from the connective tissues of chicken. Friends, a study showed that collagen is very helpful for osteoarthritis patients and improve joint problems, relieve knee pains and stiffness. Number 6, bone broth good for skin health. Friends, bone broth is very rich source of collagen and gelatin, and both these are very helpful to improve skin health and skin tissues. For people who drink bone broth, it is very helpful in collagen production and keep their skin healthy and young for a longer period of time, and also reduce skin wrinkles. So drinking bone broth can make you younger and healthier for a longer period of time. Friends, this is all about bone broth. I hope the information provided in this video would help you. If you like this video, share with others, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you very much.